Welcome to SC Custom Designs. We're continuing the series of putting in a side exterior door with the casing included. I also put in the hardware, which is right there. The latch bolt, deadbolt, and a European style doorknob. And now we are putting on this composite material here. Made in the USA. Really proud of that part. And it was actually made May 31st or something like that. May 31st, 2024. I picked this up at Lowe's. I'm not sponsored by Lowe's. But this is a composite material. Let me show you what it looks like when you cut into it, which I have done a few times. So it looks like this. So basically this is all ready to go. That's gonna definitely outlast my lifetime, I'm thinking. So I already cut the first piece of trim, and what I did is I used the, not sponsored by DeWalt or by Ryobi, but I used this saw here to basically cut a nice clean line on the siding all the ways up. Okay, and now I'll be able to come by with my caulk gun. Sorry about all the shaking. And I will caulk all the areas there. For quickly fastening this at this time, I'm going to use the Ryobi Airstrike technology. I am a firm believer in this material. This tool nice and quick, eh, my friends? Yep. So we went a little bit wide at the bottom, a little bit overkill on the bottom, but that's okay. So that'll hold it in place. I may decide at some point to just put some screws in there, but I really don't think it's going to be necessary. You gotta love your pin guns, how quick they are to get the job done. Okay, there we go. From a distance, you're not going to complain much about this. This is a 103-year-old home or so, and what I try to do is stick with the existing style. Don't go off into some new trim. There's no point in doing that at all. And so you can see that matches right in there with that style. So with enough of that, I'm going to come over now on the right side, left side, get my right and left straight, and I'll strike a line and use the saw and cut up. I then used a hammer and a chisel to get the pieces out, and then there were nails. Thankfully I didn't have to go into the nails. There was like about this much room between my blade and the nails, so I was very blessed there. Thanks for watching SC Custom Designs. Please watch the entire series. Installing, I forget what the series is called, but look up side door, exterior door, something like this. I put it all in its own group. Thank you. Bye-bye. Please give it a thumbs up if you like what you see. Again, if there's anybody who knows, and subscribe, please. If anybody knows how much it costs to put a door in and do this work that I'm doing. Oh, one last thing. So this piece here, I cut down the top part there that has a little bit of a drip edge on it. I put that back where it came from. I took off, about, I would say 6 inches from that, and I was able to take it and put it back in place. So, well, that was the original piece that came with the house. Thank you. Bye-bye.